so the court reporter can hear you, okay?
No.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, will your client waive the reading of the indictment?
You are.
Mr. Smith, in cause number 26, DCCR 0073, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of theft of material, copper, and that's from December 8th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you fully understand?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it looks like the agreement that you've reached is for a 5-year deferred probation. Is there a fine?
There's not a fine, especially restitution, which I don't know if you didn't have.
So there will be restitution that will be determined for sentencing?
The other has never turned in a restitution, Your Honor.
Okay.
This is copper from a business.
Right.
Which might have been insurance coverage, but there's never been a form turned in by the owner.
So would you want to waive PSI and go forward, or do you want me to set for PSI with restitution to be determined so that if there is some, they can get that to you before?
So, PSI would be good.
So if there's any restitution, then you would be ordered to pay whatever that amount is. Do you understand? As part of your probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, Your Honor.
State tenders number 1.
Objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Smith is not competent?
No, no.
All right, so I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do that pre-sentence report and see if there's any restitution that they can determine between now and then we'll come back later for sentencing. Ms. French, what is the state's position with regard to me reducing the bond based on the nature of that plea agreement for sentencing?